If you're looking to make passive income, this may be the video for you. In this video, we're going to run through 33 passive and semi-passive income ideas which could allow you to make money in your sleep. Links to give you some more ideas about all the passive income streams mentioned are in the video description. And quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial or investment advisor. All of the information in this video is for entertainment purposes only. First up, here are some real-world physical business ideas you could set up. Number 1. A vending machine business. This is only semi-passive unless you outsource restocking and money collection, but will keep generating income as long as you keep the machine stocked and in working order. This business is highly scalable if you use the profits to reinvest in more machines. Number 2. Rent out your car. Uber and Lyft now rent cars and also offer insurance. If you aren't using your car a few days a week, this could be a great way to make some extra cash on the side. The downside to this is that it's not very scalable. Number 3. Advertise with your car. Some companies will pay you to use the outside of your car as ad space. If you have no qualms with large graphics on the side of your vehicle showing adverts to passers-by, this can generate a bit of extra money. Number 4. Buy a small business. This may not be entirely passive, but could become semi-passive with the right management team in place. Though initially time-consuming and risky, profits may be huge in the long run if you pick the right business. Alternatively, you could invest in a small business as a silent partner if you want a more passive approach from the start. Number 5. Outsource your current business. If you're a small business owner or self-employed, you may be able to outsource many jobs you currently do using websites like Fiverr. This can turn a hands-on business into a near-passive income source. For the next part of the list, we will look at online business ideas. Number 6. Blogging. This tried and tested approach to making money online has been around for many years. You can get money from adverts and affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress are a good place to start. Number 7. Running a YouTube channel. Setting up a YouTube channel filled with quality content is potentially time-consuming, but anyone can do it. It can be monetized through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored videos. Typically, educational YouTube channels do pretty well, but any style of channel can become a good passive income source. Number 8. Selling stock photography. Anyone with a camera phone can do this. Stock photography can be sold through your own website or on larger platforms like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. Number 9. Selling stock graphics. This is great for graphic designers. Graphics can also be sold on sites like Adobe Stock, Graphic River, and Shutterstock. Number 10. Instagram influencers. Running an Instagram account can be a great source of income. It may be a little time-consuming, but it can generate a lot of money if you build a big following of real followers. You can market other people's products, your own products, or affiliate links. The easiest way to stay consistent with your uploads is to use a scheduling tool like Hootsuite. Number 11. Print-on-demand store. If you haven't heard of print-on-demand, or POD, this is where companies will print orders as they come in and send out the items directly to the customer. Clothing, accessories, mugs, books, and wall art can all be printed on demand. Companies will take care of the printing and sending out all the items sold. You just need to get people to your store. Websites like Spreadshirt, Teespring, and DeviantArt are just a few of many good platforms to use. Number 12. Selling online educational courses. Educational content sells well online. Make a video course on Udemy, Coursera, or a similar site to potentially generate income for years to come. Number 13. Writing and selling ebooks. Writing and marketing ebooks can generate a good amount of income and may be completely free to do. These are commonly sold on Amazon. Number 14. Recording and selling audiobooks. These are similar to ebooks and can also be created for free and sold on Amazon. Number 15. Writing and licensing music. This could lead to royalty checks and recurring payments for many years to come. The industry may be a little tricky to work your way into, but promoting your music heavily online and networking can lead to making the right contacts to get your music licensed. Number 16. Putting music on streaming services. Similarly, using a distributor like DistroKid, you can get paid per stream for music uploaded to Spotify and Apple Music. Around 40,000 tracks are added to Spotify every single day, so the keys to standing out are writing good quality music and putting a lot of time into promotion. 17. Domain name flipping. Registering domain names and selling them can lead to huge profits. The most expensive domain name ever sold was cars.com for $872 million US. Many domains are sold every day for much smaller profits, of course. Websites like GoDaddy.com can be used to purchase domains for flipping. Number 18. Create mobile games. If you know how, these can generate a lot of money through ad revenue and in-app purchases. The mobile gaming industry is worth over $63 billion US. With so many games being published every day, one of the keys to success in this industry is marketing your games. Number 19. Create mobile apps. The same rules apply for apps. The global mobile app industry is forecast to be worth $189 billion US within a year. Number 20. Content curation. This involves compiling other people's work and should be done with their permission. It can be done through your own website or on any number of platforms online. Building a big following on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook may not require you to make your own content and can lead to huge returns. Number 21. Digital marketing jobs. Offering your marketing expertise to local businesses is a great way to earn cash while helping their businesses. This could be anything from running digital ads for a company on a platform like Facebook or Google AdWords to running a company's social media accounts. Once systems are in place, most tasks can be outsourced. Number 22. Dropshipping stores. If selling products online without ever actually owning or handling the products yourself sounds good, look into dropshipping. It is typically much lower risk than holding all the inventory yourself, and due to its digital nature, many tasks can also be outsourced. Number 23. Make a podcast. Money can be made through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. These can be uploaded to many different platforms such as Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, or the iTunes Store. As with many of the ideas mentioned on the list, the keys to success are high quality content and good promotion. Number 24. Pinterest. Setting up a Pinterest product board filled with affiliate links is quick and easy. This works really well with the Amazon Associates affiliate program, which is also pretty easy to get started with. Next up, let's look at some real estate investment related ideas. Number 25. Airbnb. Rent out spare rooms for near passive income. You can also buy or rent more properties to scale this business. There's a lot of money to be made here. Number 26. Buy-to-let real estate. There is a high barrier to entry, but this can generate a lot of money. You'll need the money for a down payment on a house to get started. But house hacking is a very good way to start. This is where you buy a house with several rooms and let out the rooms that you aren't using. There's a lot to learn here, so you can learn more about this through the links in the description. Number 27. Storage space or parking space rental. This is a much cheaper way to start in property than buying a house, and it can return passive income and is highly scalable when done right. Number 28. REITs. Investing in an REIT, or a real estate investment trust, is a very passive way to invest and allows you to buy portions of real estate with much less work and upkeep than traditional real estate investment. For the final part of the list, we're going to be looking at traditional and real-world investments. Number 29. Investing in the stock market for long-term growth. This may be seen by some as risky, but it can be completely passive. Choosing a broad index fund has historically seen good returns when held for longer than 5 years. Number 30. Investing in the stock market in high dividend stocks. This is also risky, and probably more risky than investing for long-term growth, but can be completely passive and offer an amazing return. Number 31. High yield savings accounts. Putting your money into high yield savings accounts can be a very safe way to beat inflation, but it won't really return much unless you have a lot saved in the first place. High yield savings accounts may be good ways to diversify your investments with very low risk. Number 32. Peer-to-peer lending. This one does seem pretty risky, depending on who you lend to, but it can offer a great rate of return. Number 33. Buying bonds. Bonds are seen by many as an extremely safe form of investment with a pretty secure return, as you're lending your money to the government, so as long as the entire government of a whole country doesn't go under, you should see your returns. This may be another good and relatively safe way to diversify your investment portfolio. So there you have it, 33 ways to generate passive income while you sleep. If you can think of any more or have any advice on any of these methods, please let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe for more similar videos in the future. Thank you very much.